Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to color a cell in Excel. So let's start this Max cell and here I'm going to color some amount of total column. So simply select the cell, go to the Home tab in Font Group, click on the Fill Color option. When I keep cursor on this option you can see the field color name. Then click on the drop down arrow and here you can select the different color. So you can select any color. Suppose I select this one. Your color is apply. Okay. And if you want to apply the same color on the second cell also, just select the cell and simply press the F4, the same action. So again, I simply select the cell. Again, I press the F4 for same action. Same color is applied. Okay. Now I select again one cell. Again, I go to the Home tab in Font Group. In color field, just click on the drop down arrow. And here the more color option available. Just click on the more color. In more color, there are two tabs, standard and custom. Okay. There are some standard color. You can see here the color is showing. Okay. Just click on this and just click on OK. And in custom color, you can custom the color. Again, I select this one cell. Click on this drop down arrow and click on the more color option. Then click on the custom tab. Here you can custom your color. Okay. So red, green, blue, and you can just custom your color accordingly. You just click on here and see the changes over here, the numbers of color. Okay. You can just click on drop down arrow and you can take accordingly. If you want green, okay, 249, 250, you can take it. Okay. See the changes over here. When I click on it, suppose I increase the red shade. It's 255 is last, I think. I decrease the green shade. Okay. See the changes over here. Okay. When you custom your color, you can see here the color. Then I blue, also I decrease. Okay. I increase the red one. See the changes over here. The color is changed. Okay. You can select this also, this way also. Just click on it and select it. See here and see the number here 191, 196 is automatically selected. Okay. You can just drag if you want the darkness, you can drag any light color, you can drag and set accordingly. If you want light color, you can set. If you want dark color, you can set accordingly. Okay. After that, just click on OK and that's it. Its color is apply. Okay. And again, I show you just select the cell, right click of the mouse. And when you right click on it, here you can see same, the font group is showing. You can click here also, click on drop down arrow and select the color that you want. Okay. Again, I select the cell, right click of the mouse and click on the format cells option. In format cell, you can see in field tab, there is some color option also available. Simply select the color and you can see here the preview. Okay. And if you want to use the pattern color, you can just click on this drop down arrow. You can select here the different pattern also. And here some pattern styles also available. See the changes here. See here in preview. Okay. Again, I select the different one. See one more. See. Then pattern color, I select here different one, green one. Okay. Now I select this. Okay. See the changes. Then click on OK. That's it. You can see here the color is applied. Okay. And one more way, just select the cell. Again, go to the Home tab in Font Group. Click on the drop down arrow. And here the high contrast only. Just click on. And this all colors is converted with high contrast. Okay. So just click on it and you can see the changes here. See the color shining is showing the different contrast, high contrast is showing. Suppose I select this one and its color is applied. Okay. I again show you, click on drop down arrow and apply the some different colors. See. So this is the way you can apply the color in Excel. Okay. You can use the color in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe.